Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make jar marinara sauce better. First, select a good quality jarred marinara as your foundation. Begin by sautéing finely minced garlic and diced onion in olive oil until fragrant and softened, about 3 to 5 minutes. This simple step builds a crucial flavor base. Then, pour in your chosen jarred sauce and let it gently simmer for at least 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. To further enhance your sauce, introduce fresh ingredients. Tear in fresh basil leaves or finely chop oregano and parsley, adding them in the last few minutes of cooking to preserve their vibrant taste. For a deeper, more complex flavor profile, a splash of dry red wine or a teaspoon of good quality balsamic vinegar works wonders. Finally, stir in a small pat of unsalted butter or a spoonful of heavy cream for a luxurious, silky finish. Transform your marinara into a more substantial meal by adding protein and vegetables. Brown ground beef, Italian sausage, or turkey in a separate pan, then drain any excess fat before stirring it into the simmering sauce. Alternatively, sauté diced bell peppers, mushrooms, or zucchini until tender and mix them in. For those who enjoy a little heat, a small pinch of red pepper flakes will provide a delightful, subtle kick. Before serving, always taste and adjust your seasonings. Add salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed to balance the flavors perfectly. A generous grating of fresh Parmesan cheese stirred directly into the hot sauce just before serving will add a wonderful umami depth and creaminess. For more great tips and to truly elevate your financial thinking, check out the link in the description for a fantastic book and other deals. Enjoy your incredibly flavorful homemade tasting marinara.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.